Hey, it's Chaplain Johnson from the Credo program in Japan. One of the hardest parts about being stuck at home is dealing with issues where you may need professional or outside help. It's one thing to vent to your friends and quite another thing to get the right help for the right situation. While I'm a firm believer in sharing problems with your loved ones, sometimes the problem is a loved one, or it can't be simply solved by venting. For me, when I have issues, I tend to go inward and try to deal with issues all by myself. While this allows me not to become a burden for other people and proves that I can handle situations on my own, it's not the healthiest way to deal with the issue. In fact, it can make things worse, as I may focus solely on a problem and not a solution to make it better. As a Christian, I understand that Jesus is there to handle my problems. He tells us this: "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." That's so comforting. But I also know that God has put caring professionals in the world to help you tackle your burdens as well. I encourage you to utilize them. As a chaplain, we are here and just one of the caring professionals that God has entrusted to help facilitate people's burdens. Don't hesitate to use us. You can direct message myself or the Credo director or on the Credo page with any burdens that you'd like to share with us. And you know the great thing about Navy chaplains? We have 100% confidentiality. That means whatever you share with us will not be shared with anyone else, period. So if you need to reach out, don't hesitate. God bless you and have a fantastic week.